Hello Cloud Gurus! They let me back on your screen this week, so here I am. It's been a quiet week in the world of Azure. Nah, who am I kidding? It's never quiet in Azure. This week on the show, live data local testing is now available for public preview in the Azure Stream Analytics, Azure SignalR Service is in general availability, and the Microsoft Ignite Roadshow is, maybe, coming to a city near you. Microsoft Azure Stream Analytics is a serverless, scalable, complex event processing engine by Microsoft. It enables users to develop and run real-time analytics on multiple streams of data from sources such as devices, sensors, websites, social media, and other applications. It integrates with IoT Hub, which we have covered before on the show as well. Live data local testing is now available for public preview in Azure Stream Analytics Visual Studio Tools. Bit of a mouthful. This new update to the tools lets you test your queries locally while using live data streams from cloud sources such as Azure Event Hubs, IoT Hub, or Blob Storage. You can even use all the Azure Stream Analytics time policies in the local Visual Studio environment as well. Some key benefits pointed out by Microsoft are query behavior consistency, so the queries running locally and in the cloud will output the same results. And much shorter testing cycles. It takes only seconds to start a round of query testing and understanding and adjusting to cater for the live data, which is much faster. Back in May of 2018, David Fowler, co-inventor and overall nice guy and brilliant developer for Microsoft, announced the availability of his much-loved project SignalR. This fully managed service allows you to use ASP.NET Core SignalR to build real-time experiences such as chat, stock tickers, live dashboards, and more, all without worrying about capacity provisioning, scaling, or persistent connections. The SignalR service on Azure is now generally available. It works seamlessly with ASP.NET Core SignalR, which is supported on the high-performance cross-platform .NET Core runtime and is easy and quick to start using through Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. With the Azure Functions binding, the Azure SignalR service can be used seamlessly in a serverless environment on Azure as well. The Azure Functions binding is open source and hosted by Microsoft Azure in a GitHub repository. Ignite is Microsoft's annual general event with about 35,000 attendees and where a lot of announcements are made about most Microsoft products. Because it isn't exactly convenient for most people to travel to Orlando for a week, Microsoft Ignite, the tour, is coming to a city near-ish you. Starting in December in Berlin, Germany, and Sao Paulo in Brazil, the tour brings a little taste of Ignite proper to you. Each event takes place over 2 days and is a mix of presentations of Microsoft employees, regional directors, and Microsoft MVPs. To find your nearest city and date, check out the link below. And with a bit of goodwill from the Ignite gods, I will be presenting in Sydney, Australia on February 13 and 14 on some Azure magnificence. That is it for this episode of Azure This Week. To recap the news from this episode, live data local testing is now available for public preview in Azure Stream Analytics. This Visual Studio tool lets you improve how you use Stream Analytics in your development lifecycle. Azure SignalR Service is in general availability. SignalR is a brilliant framework for creating live web experiences with instantly updated chat, data dashboards, and more. And then finally, the Microsoft Ignite Roadshow is, maybe, coming to a city near you. Check out all the cities to learn more and register for your local event. I will be back next week to share the news from the cloud. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.